email earlier. So
yeah, it was
anyway,
weird. And I tried to call you, and it wouldn't even let me send an email like to you, respond, or anything. I was like,
I was like, sorry. Yeah, I was working on some other stuff in the meantime.
Yeah.
I think awesome. So I have the broadcast going.
Sweet.
How much of it were you able to, I guess, get done?
Pretty much on number 5 where I need to protect it. I was able to. I just need to protect it and make it pretty.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't worked much on it. I haven't done anything on it. Like I said, I kind of moved on and worked on some other homework in the meantime.
Okay.
But I can, I guess, catch up real quick or try to. So the first step, we got to create a drop-down list.
Yes.
The option of selecting year, and then the list of possible years include the current year and the previous 4 years. And a second drop-down list should allow the user to select any month. So for the first one, did you just make like a separate, I guess, list of data then?
Yes, I just made a list of data.
Just on the invoice download or on the summary?
I went get data valuation, and then I just input it like 2017, 16, 15,
Oh, I guess, yeah, you can just do that.
Yeah, because if we try to link it to anything, it goes crazy. So I was like, just.
So what do you do? Date, right? You did between. Did you do let me see here. So data validation, you did date, and then did you make it between anything, or what did you choose for the data?
I didn't choose any. I just click on a cell and I put data valuation list, and then I did 2017, 16, 15, and 14 to create my list.
Okay. Was it 2016, 2017, 2018?
No, not 18.
Does it go till?
I put 17, 16, 15, and 14 because it's this year's and the previous one, right? Wait, Aria, please don't.
Oh, currently in the previous 4. Okay.
And the previous 4, so I'm missing one right now. Hold on. I'm going to go back to my data.
So you go to 2013.
Yes.
Cool. Awesome. And then the second one says the second drop-down list should allow the user to select any month.
Yeah, so I did the same thing, data validation, but I went to the invoice download, and there's like month lookup, and I just selected the numbers.
Went to the invoice download?
Instead of the months.
Oh. Whereas you just chose the month in the column, like column S then?
No, let me, hold on. Let me share my screen.
No problem.
So right here, what I did is I went to data validation, and I went here.
Oh, to the right, month lookup.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it just gives me the done by month instead of the actual.
Oh, that makes it easy.
Yeah.
Sweet. Year, month. Awesome. Cool. This is number 2, sales rep group summary tables. The new sheet, create 3 tables.
Yes.
Okay.
So I just copy the format that they gave us, pretty much.
Like, oh, in the example there at the
Example,
bottom
like
of number
sales
2.
rep, sales month, sales years today. I copy all that, like the same
Okay.
format. Because it says this is just the example, but don't expect it for future mini projects. So that's what they're looking for. So I copied that and then I created the formulas. Minus the years. The years I did a formula for them.
Oh, for
Just
2018 and 2017.
Where it says 2018, I put 2017, and instead of writing 2017, I put like equals to C4, for example, where I have my year.
Yeah.
That way, when I change the table, like the year up here, it changes the table.
Okay. Let me get this real quick then. Did you do yours vertically or horizontally with the stack of the 3 tables?
Horizontally.
Let's see here. Oh, I see. So instead of doing like 2018, you did.
I did equals, and then I put it towards the input cell where we have the list of the year.
Yeah.
And then for the previous year that they want us to compare, I did equals the same cell for the list -1. And so it gives me the previous year.
Oh, so this one gives us 2018, but so we should just use 2017 though, right?
I think so, because it's like our current year plus the other 4.
Oh, cool. No, that works good.
Yeah.
all your hard work. Give yourself
Sweet. Give me just a second.
I have 3 more vendors on this list, and they need you. Go. Good. Incredible. See you guys. Okay. Here.
Give me 1 second, okay? Because I have my 3 kids with me.
Oh, you're good. No problem.
You have to tell him I have a yo-yo.
You have a yo-yo? Yeah.
No, tell
That's
him.
cool.
That's cool.
I got
I want a yo-yo. Lucky. How old is she?
She's 5, but every
that's
time
awesome.
they go to the dentist, they get a prize if they don't have no cavities. So
Oh, really?
it is. She got a yo-yo for it. So
I'm definitely not getting a yo-yo.
yeah. Let me go get her cheese that she wants.
yo-yo.
Stop it. Nice. Right here.
My name is Larry Jones. Today, we're bringing definitely destruction to your town.
I let you know, but it's not so our is here recorded and prepared for you.
So we're all making sacrifices. Okay, volunteer victims, please put your identification placards on now for your designated areas around town. First responders, returning stations, and the situation begins here. Okay, now, turn both doors. We are in lockdown mode. Go on, corner, and now, Mr. Cody is complete. Now we're going to a consent envelope. Random.
Okay, I'm back.
Good deal.
Everybody open your mouth, okay? Mission impossible. Now, everybody follow the instructions. Okay, this time. You done things?
So what?
So, anybody wish to have a war leading for Will to make the break into if you look up your people down the phone, you go on now and they go hello, this is Elizabeth. I got a little first in the past. It's 5 and 1.
You understand what from somewhere. Full services. White. All right, last time.
You might have gone the same.
It's something that's I know I do not do that. It doesn't make business sense. It's something that is great. I don't care about the monster. This is what I'm trying to do that for. Hey, you know what? 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 What do you got for me? Oh, what? You are TV.
Well, you're online, that's how you get it.
Oh, what?
Mine is in No, I need everyone their animal control, eradicate all the aggressors.
Kill all birds. This one is real, right?
Yes.
I'm actually going to kill the person real.
No, no, just now.
How about you? I can kill a man, kill one time.
Okay, let's get
Okay. All right, do you have your table?
Yes, I believe so. Real quick, so they want us in the table.
Mhm.
They want us to be able to summarize not just the year but the month for it. How did
Yes.
you get it connected for?
Okay, let me show you.
Yeah. So I don't go too far and then I have to backtrack.
Where's my? Okay, so can you see the formula? So I did
Yes. One second.
some ifs.
So you see some of this invoice download.
Dad.
AH sets from AH 7,035, and I locked that because that's the sum of the prices.
Okay.
And then for criteria one, I did the range from
Yeah.
T6 to T735 from the invoice download. And then
Okay.
I did comma, and then I selected 17. But instead of doing it on the input box, I did it towards the sales screen.
Here, give me a second. I need to I had my tables lined up the wrong way.
Okay, go ahead.
1 second.
Can you brought food and what you see? A little weirdo. Never me show you can go to
Awesome.
That's his.
All right. 1 second here. All right. So let me see. Can you click on your if you went
Yes.
to your sales rep group, and so click on.
Cousin's house.
So that's internet. So
That's the internet. So which one do you want? In-house?
no, you're good. Stay on the internet one because I imagine the in-house. See how we did it real quick. Did you move this? Let me see. Contain a download of invoices from QuickBooks.
So
Okay.
the sum range is this. So that's where the invoices sales were.
My dad. I know.
And then after that I put comma. and then it will be the criteria range. Will be this part, and that's where the let me see what's the criteria. Okay, that's where the year showed up from T6 to on column T. That's where the year showed up, and then I put after I highlighted that I put 2007.
Yeah, it feels so much better.
Over here, and then comma, and then I did criteria number 2. I did the row, I mean the column where the months showed up, but I did the ones that have the number. And then the criteria.
So some, if I go to invoice,
You what?
oh, I was just looking to see what you did. So you went, so invoice download 8, let's see.
B8
It's A6, you said?
8H6 to 8H7035.
Let's see. Oh, there it is.
Stop it.
To 7, to AH7. Oh, wow, it goes all the way down.
Oh yeah.
Let me see here. Control shift down.
Is that your sister, please? Don't just give it back. Thank you. Can you share with Elena, Aria? Elena, share with Aria, please.
What is it? What? How do you highlight the whole row or column? I mean, it's Control Shift down.
Control Shift down. Yeah.
Dang it, it's not working.
Not working? Then just type in the numbers. It should be the same numbers. Oh.
What is it? AH6 through AH
7035. And then lock it.
How do you lock? Oh, just anchor it?
Anchor it, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, not lock it, anchor it.
No, you're good. Then you have
And then you put comma. And then
criteria.
the criteria range. I did the year net, so I did column T from T6 all the way to T7035.
P6. All they do T
7035.
Then that's
Comma. That's law.
range
I mean,
Yeah. anchored. Yeah, criteria range 1, and then we have criteria 1.
criteria
And
ones
that's-
will be the year. For 2017, but don't select the input one, select the one on above,
On the table.
right above, on the table, yeah. Like 2017.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can anchor it, or you don't have to anchor that one. Because once we move it to the right, we you need to unanchor that in order for it to move, or you'll have to anchor it if you want to move it down. So
Yeah.
okay, so that one, comma, and then you're gonna do criteria range 2,
Okay.
and at that I did the month. So I did the numbers. I don't know if you did the numbers of the actual month.
I did the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, whatever it is.
Okay, yeah, that was easier for me.
And then
So then that's column R6
okay.
to R7035.
Okay. And then after that, you have
And then
the
and then after that, I did highlight the month on the input.
like the drop down,
the drop down, yes.
and you anchored that one.
I anchor that one, yeah.
Comma.
And then criteria number 3 will be the column AC 6 to AC 7035. Anchor. And then the last criteria 3 will be like the intranet. Select the intranet.
Oh, and then you just click internet,
Internet. No, yeah, click internet.
and then close
And then
parentheses
close,
enter.
close parentheses. No, don't push enter. Do the array. Clear shift enter.
Oh yeah,
Otherwise it's not gonna work.
Control Shift Enter.
Control shift enter.
Okay, I got 1468.76.
Yep, that's what I have.
Awesome. And then if you drag it down, it'll go all the way for like in-house broker and stuff.
Yeah. Yep. If you drag it down, you gotta make sure you have the summary C10 anchor and unanchored internet, so you can drag down.
Let me see.
So it doesn't move anymore.
Oh, you have to have the internet unanchored.
The year has to be anchored, and the internet does not have to be anchored.
Okay, maybe that was it that messed it up. No, let me see here. I get for in-house and broker just like a dash.
Oh, no. It should be able to drag down. Mine did.
Let me see here. I'm looking over to see if there's anything I did wrong here. Huh.
Should we do that? Okay, let's go.
Maybe that was the issue here. Okay, I got it.
You got it? All right.
Yeah, I didn't have the year anchored, and so it's, yeah.
It kills you. Yeah. And then you can also drag it to the right for the 2016. You just have to unanchor the year and anchor the column B, the internet.
Anchor the year.
Unanchor the year and anchor the internet. And then you should be able to get it.
Finish your homework. Show me a trick.
Here, let
Show
me
me
show
a
you.
trick. Show me a trick with my yo-yo.
Help you as best I can, but I really need you to eat it.
heck? All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Do it again.
All right, I'm back. Sorry, my kid decided to destroy his diaper and clothes.
Oh yeah, it happens.
Yeah, a lot of fun. Let me see here. So I'm trying to drag it to the right. So you said for it, you have to unanchor what again?
In order to, you have to unanchor the year and anchor it.
Oh, okay. So unanchor the year. I think I did that.
And anchor like the internet.
Did it give you the same number?
No. Like if we're doing like the first month of 2017, we got for 2017 we got 1468, and for 2016 I got 463. 68 cents.
You got 463, you said?
463 with 68.
So you gotta put on there.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I got. I had the column anchored and not like I only had it half it unanchored.
Okay.
Yep. And then I got 2104 for in-house, and for broker I got 4343.
Yes, that's what I have.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then for 2016, do you
Give me
For
one
this
second.
one, we would need to anchor the year, but unanchor the internet, correct?
Yes.
Oh, what's the time for it?
Awesome. And then let me see here. And then for the total, we can you just hit sum, right?
For, oh yes, the sum. Yeah.
And then the change, we just go equals, I guess,
Like
2017 minus 2016.
minus 2016. Yeah.
Did you get a negative number for the second one?
Yes. Negative 8,000.
Hello. Oh, you might talk to us. Who's this? Say hello. Hi. Hello. Oh, you might talk like this.
Cool. So that's for that one. So now for the for the
Today is the same formula,
okay.
except you're going to when we're doing the month, you're gonna do or when it's not on the criteria range, but on the criteria 2, you're gonna put a minus, like benefit to parentheses, and then and sign, and then the month.
All right, say that one more time. You cut out there, Logan.
Hold on, let me show you.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Let me go big. Oops,
Okay.
same formula, exactly the same, except here.
Okay. You get to R. Oh, open quote is
Open quote, less than,
less than
equals,
or equals to
close quote,
close quote, and then ampersand.
and
Summary.
and then the month.
Okay. Hit enter. What
No,
did you get for that?
Control Shift Enter.
Oh yeah. I got 1468.76.
1466. Yep, that's it. And then you do the same thing. You drag it down with the year anchor, and then you can move it to the side with the year on anchor. Right now, because we're putting it on because we're putting it on
What?
line 1. We should get the same numbers as the sales month, but once
Yeah.
we change the month, like to, let's say 2, we'll 3, they change, like the sales year to date change.
Okay.
Okay. It won't light up anymore.
Hey, best buddy ever. Well, container, one.
Yeah, it is. In my house? Sorry.
Cool. And so for the sales year to date, looks like they're all the same.
Yeah, if you change it to let's say month 2, go to your upper thingy and put like 2 instead of 1, then it should change. Like if you do 2, it's gonna say 2,512 for 2017.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
Yeah, so it averages both
Awesome.
months.
Sweet. And so we do just the exact same thing for the average unit price year to date.
Yeah, you just it's the exact same thing, like the same copy you just did for sales,
Okay.
but instead of doing the sums, just do average. So you can copy the formula and then just change the front to average. Oh, I like no, because that one we had to change. That one you had to change columns. It's not 8E anymore. Let me see. It's not 8H. It goes to 8E because we're doing the unit price.
So it's AE
8E. Say it's
for the first one.
for the first
Or
one. Yeah.
And the rest is fine.
The rest is fine. Yes, because it's the same criteria.
Let me see what we need to change.
And
Here.
then you just change average.
Bye.
Oh, instead of total, you get the average, or do you just change average at the beginning?
At the beginning, because you know how we have equals sum if, just do
average ifs.
equals average if. Yeah,
Is that if or ifs?
ifs, because we have multiples.
Gotcha. What the heck? Did he give you a division error for any of them?
When you go to month, like, let me tell you, not for 2017, for 2014, 13, it gives me a division error.
Okay. Let me see for 2000.
But for 17, for 16, it does too.
So how come it does that?
I have no clue. I've been trying to figure it out, and I have no clue.
Yeah, because for when I do it for 2017, if I drag it down to in-house and broker, it gives me a division error.
Oh, no, not for me.
Let me make sure. So average ifs.
Did you
I,
on
I,
Anchor?
I think I did. I think I did the summary greater than equal to. I kept that in there.
Yeah, you have to. But it
You
has
do
to be
for the
less
average.
than, not greater, less than.
I mean, it's less than or equal to. I mean,
Yes.
but you have to keep that for the average one as well.
Yep, because it has to average like year to date.
I think I have it. Let me see here. Drag this. What? Yes, tell me it's divided by 0 and the other ones. I don't know why. Let's see what it does. If I drag it down, what's it doing?
Is there anything like it's not highlighted? Remember.
Oh, that's
Alright,
right. I got it. I
no.
figured it out.
The Anchor.
I thought I had it backwards. I had the wrong one.
Well, that might make a difference.
Yeah, I might. Let's do that. Control Shift Enter. Drag it down. Okay, so it looks like we're good now.
All right, perfect.
Now we got to anchor this one, unanchor that one.
Yeah, that's the most annoying thing. We have to anchor and unanchor.
Yeah, exactly. Do you know how many decimal points we're supposed to go to? Did it say?
How many what?
Decimal spots or points?
No, I didn't read anything about.
I'll just go to like 2.
I did 2 because in the example it has 2, so I did 2.
Baby, it's happy.
We still do the sum of all those, like the
Yes.
total of
Yes.
the averages.
Yes.
I got, see for mine, so the totals for the 2017-16 for the first one, I got 14.37, 14.29, and 0.08.
Yep, that's what I have.
Cool. So, and then for, what the heck did I break? Let's see. 14.
What are you doing, silly? Who you here? Let me see who you're talking to. Can I see my phone, Edith? Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back.
Oh, sweet. So now for the,
Girl decided to grab my phone and start making phone calls.
oh, that's cool. That's good.
Yeah. I know. Okay.
Look.
Okay.
Cool. So for now for the 2000, I guess for product, we do imagine the same process.
Pretty much highlight your entire table, highlight it completely, copy it, and paste it.
Okay.
It's the entire same thing. We're just gonna
We're
change
changing
where
the
it says
formulas,
lotion.
right?
You're gonna put lamb lotion and then change the columns. That's it. So you can just use the same.
What were you saying though? Sorry.
I
So
said
copy,
copy your entire table.
yeah, and go down. And so we're doing products now instead of
Paste it.
sales rep group, right?
Yes, and then just put lamb lotion small, lamb lotion large. Hold on, let me take my kids to my parents since they arrived already.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Okay.
So the first one should be lamb lotion large. The second one should be lamb lotion RE, and the last one's lamb lotion small.
There's 4. Lamb
So
lotion,
it's 4.
yeah, lamb lotion small, large, lamb lid small, and large.
What the heck? Does it matter what order they're in, I guess?
I don't think so. I did small, large, but that's because that's how they were writing it when they were saying it.
Oh, there's lips and lamb and lotion.
No,
There's lamb lotion small, and then lamb lotion large, and then lamb lips small, and lamb lip.
Gotcha. That's right. Yeah, I was just saying that.
I found a toy.
All right. And then for the formula, we'll do the same thing, right? Except we'll just have a different.
Columns, yeah. Pretty much. Let me see what changes. I can't remember. Hold on. It's the last column. I think. Let me see. The range. Yeah, it goes from AC to AA.
Second here. here.
to double A. So the last range,
So we're keeping the, let me see, equals, we're keeping everything the same, correct? And
except range 3
okay,
from AC goes to
Okay.
AA because that's where the
okay, so change it to from AC to AA,
yes.
and then
Everything else is the
the deal
same.
is 0.
No, $532.
1 second. I don't think I did. Let me see if I did anything wrong.
Make sure that you're highlighting like the lamp lotion and not because since you're copy internet,
No.
it could
Yeah.
stay up there.
Yep, that's the issue.
Yeah, it happened to me too. That's why I'm saying it.
Sorry, A8. Yes. That should be that. Anchored. Okay, I got 739.68.
Ooh.
Is that what you got?
Let me see. Oh, hold on. I have a different year. Hold on. 2017, month 1. 739.68. Yep, that's what I got.
Yeah. Cool.
How you doing it? Did you get the product table ready?
Ink. I just have to. I'm almost done with it.
Okay. Did you did the conditional formatting?
No, I haven't done that yet. No, I haven't done the conditional formatting yet. I was going to get all the formulas in and then go from there.
Oh, okay.
Freak just happened. Cool. And so the third set of tables, this is overall product summary, correct?
Yes, so it has nothing to do with the years or anything, so it's just a table on its own.
Okay. There's only
And
three
so,
tables for it.
yes. And then, no, this one is just like the products, lamp lotion, and then the average unit price and the standard deviation.
Okay. Are you able to show me yours, what you have set up?
Yes. Just hold on. Let me go to share.
Okay. So product summary table. Overall. Okay. So 1 second here. Let me see that. So yeah, we don't need all three.
No, no.
That's nice.
And we use different formulas anyway, so you just need to copy like the products because we're gonna use totally like different formulas. It's a much shorter formula.
Yeah. Let me see here.
So for the average unit, I did equals average if.
Cool.
Oh, that any other kind of thought for you. Okay, what's that?
Okay. So the average unit price for this one, we're using average if.
Average if.
Okay. And then
So then I did like range, the sum, oh, hold on. Range was 886 through 887035 for the
Okay.
invoice download.
AA 7035, right?
Yeah, invoice download 886 to 7035. And then comma, that criteria will be like your lamp lotion small. So select that cell.
Our line motion small.
Yeah,
Okay.
if that's the first one you have. And then your average range will be AE6 to AE7035, because that's the unit price.
AE, nope, 6.
Through AE7035. And then do clear, shift, enter. Because if you don't, it doesn't work. So then you should have got 3.44.
What the heck? No, not yet. Let me see here. Can I see your formula one more time? Make sure I didn't miss anything. So, oh, I see where I messed up. What the? Let me see here. 3.44 is what I got.
Yes, that's what I have.
Cool. And then for this, we need to,
For this, you just drag it down. I think you need to anchor. Let's see, what did I anchor? I anchored the 2 ranges and left the other one like alone. And then I was able to just drag it down.
see if that works. Sweet. And so then the standard deviation, we do the same thing, so standard deviation.
We have to do an array. No. Equals stdv dot s. I guess, yeah, I think it's the same columns. Let me see. Yeah, it's the same columns, except you're gonna put in front of them. You're gonna put equals std, like the standard deviation formula, open parentheses, if, and then open parentheses, and put the entire, the other ones that you just did. Close parentheses, and clear shift.
What did I do?
I have
So
my formula.
standard, the standard deviation, or STD-EVS, right?
Yeah, that is, yeah.
And then open parentheses if, and open parentheses.
Well, yeah, do open parentheses with the standard deviation, then if, open parentheses, the entire thing that we just did, like
Okay.
this. Oh, and you have to do, I think you have to do equals on this one. Did we do equals on the other one? No. Okay, so on this one, it's AA sets to A7035 equals, and then lamb lotion.
1 second. A6, okay.
Equals.
Oh, equals.
Yes. And then you select the lamp lotion, comma, AE to A sets to 7035, close parentheses, and close parentheses again.
What the heck? Do you have to do any? Do you have to do any quotations in this one, or ampersands?
No.
Let me see here. AA6, AA705 equals that, equals lamb lotion, comma, download that. I don't know why it's giving me a division error.
You have to do the array. You have to do the clear shift enter, or it won't graph.
There we go.
Yes. Yeah.
It's obnoxious.
We got 2.6a.
Yeah, and then we need anchor. I don't
No.
think we need anchor.
You anchor the array, the ranges
Yeah, that's it.
in AE. That's it.
Okay, and then we have to do the conditional formatting.
Yes.
Okay. So for this one, they have it for, we need to do it on the change, correct?
Yes, on the change. If it's let me see, I can't remember. If it's higher than, like, if it's positive, it has to be green, and if it's negative, it has to be red.
What do we do? Icon sets, right?
You do it on home, conditional formatting, icon sets, yeah.
Format all cells based on their values, correct?
And then I did, they do the 3 traffic lights, and then,
We only want red and green, correct?
yes,
Okay. And so then it's icon sets, cool. And they want it here for greater than equal than to a value, they said, or?
I did number, let's see, manage rules. I did icon set, edit rule. I did for green, I put when value is greater or equal to 0, I put number. And then I
Okay.
put no icon cell for the yellow one.
Yeah.
And then red, I put when it's less than 0.
And it is.
And then it gave me,
Did he give you all green for the first one?
yes.
Okay, let me see if it does it here. Can show formatting. What the heck? Did he give you all green for the sales year to date as well?
No, I have like red for the negative 36,000. Oh wait, let me see. We're in number 1, right?
Let me see. I did something wrong.
Hold on. Hold on, let me go. I have it in month 1. Yeah, no, it still needs to be like the 8,000. It needs to be red.
Huh. Yeah. Is yours red or is yours green?
Red.
Dang it, I did something wrong then. Conditional formatting, you do icon sets, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So I need that one is that. I need this one is this. Greater than or equal to 0.
Yes. And you put number, right? On the type number.
I did now. And then the second one you do just the greater than, right?
And the second one,
Or-
I put no cell icon because it wasn't working. So I put no cell icon. And then I left the red all the way at the bottom where it says when less than 0.
The value is red one. Icon is.
Greater than 0.
Does it do anything? No, what the heck?
Did you do apply?
So delete, delete, new role. Okay, I think I got it for the first, and we just do the same thing for that second round of tables, correct?
Yes.
Awesome. Should work now. So then from here,
We're supposed to do protect that first sheet, the summary sheet. So only the input cells can be changed and nothing else. But I did protect sheets and I can't remember. Working.
I wanna go to the room because they lost most of it.
Okay. Hi.
Papa.
Do you remember what we did protection?
Papa.
Or do you
I
remember?
don't think, have we learned it yet? If so, I do not remember.
That one I do remember. I know some things that were in the exam we had not learned, but but I remember that one we did learn it. I just can't remember. Oh, protect ideas. Oh no, that's project ideas. Can't remember if it was last week or the week before. I gotta check.
To protect it, did you figure out how to protect it?
No. I mean, I know we just had to hit protect sheet on review, but I can't remember how to do the, just leave the input cells unprotected.
Select row, select lock cells, select unlock cells.
Although you're all set, let's just go back. Part of the house, I had email from county government who will be hosting a weekly movie series. A screen followed by instructions led by local film buff and film is down.
Protect sheet.
Oh, this is the wrong lady. Sit down, please, sit down.
Yeah, so you're trying to figure out because how to do it so we can change the drop downs, right?
Yes.
That's the only thing.
Yes. Because it says like we need to protect it minus the input cells. So, and when I click protect sheet, let me see.
Here.
Dang it. Protect sheet. Let me see here.
Giant bunny. Shut.
Aria, Elena, no, don't do that, please. All format cells. I have
So
to,
we just
let's see, right click, let's see, select the cells. Yes. So we gotta do format cells, like right click, format cells, protection over here, and then go unlock those.
wait. So what do you do real quick?
Right click on the input cell and then go to format cells
Okay. Protection.
and then unclick unlock, like where it says lock, unclick that,
Okay. Hit OK.
hit OK. And then we can go to protect it. Hold on, let me.
Now we can hit protect sheet, protect lock cells and unlock cells.
Yes, let's see.
That seemed to work.
So this pushes to select unlock cells. Yes. So now they can't select anything but the cells that are unlocked. Yep.
Cool.
Oh. And unlock one of my cells unprotected. Format cells. There you go. There you put it. Yeah, so now they can select the year.
And the month, they just can't change any of the formulas.
Anything of the formulas or
Yeah,
any input, yes. And that's what we wanted.
that's good. Sweet.
That's it. You just make it pretty and that's it.
Yeah, I think it should be good. Awesome. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Thank you.
I'll send you the link and you should be good to go.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
I'll
See you
see you
Friday.
then. Okay, bye.